Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. Transcend the ordinary. Get behind the wheel of this distinctive Nautilus and experience the comfort of a luxury sedan coupled with the versatility of an SUV, all wrapped up in high-end style. Well equipped with the latest tech to keep you safe, connected, relaxed, and focused, this midsize crossover redefines the daily drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, heated front seat, satellite radio, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Feel relaxed and restored on every journey in this smooth, quiet Nautilus. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.